Hello everybody, it's me Sam here from WoopaGaming, and today I'm going to show you how to use and install the SpoutBlocks plugin for Bucket. Okay, so sorry for the delay on videos. I've been really busy here at the moment, but hopefully I'll be able to produce some more, and we might as well get on with it. So enjoy this one. So what is SpoutBlocks? SpoutBlocks allows you to add custom blocks to the game using, of course, Spout. At the moment it's in development stages, so you'll need the development stage of Spout and the Minecraft Bucket latest development build. So get those two, I've already used them, and you want to download from the link here. Open up the zip in your favourite archive and drag the directory and jar file in there. Okay, so this will add new blocks to the game, and you can create what they look like and how to make them and stuff. So let's look at it. So you go to SpoutBlocks and blocks.yml, and here we have the configuration of SpoutBlocks. So let's go over what it does, and I'll show you how to create new ones should you wish to. Okay, so first of all, blocks aircloud. This is the name of the block. So aircloud, I can't pronounce that. Pronounce that. Erugu. Yeah, whatever that is. Then on the second bit you have the URL. Then this is where your texture will be. If we have a look at this URL here, it will be a 32 by 32 texture of the block we're going to see in game. So as you can see, texture resolution 32 should correspond to the icon, but that's a 64 out of 64. So that technically should be 64, but we'll just let it pass. Crafting recipe. We have line 1, line 2, line 3. Now if you imagine a workbench, you have a 9 by 9 grid. All these X's mean there has to be an item in that 9 by 9, not 9 by 9, 3 by 3 grid to make a 9, and the meaning of the X is a 1, so that's stone. So basically you have a 3 by 3 grid of stone, and it will produce this block, and it will produce 3 of them as we've defined here. And then you've got the block settings, so this is just transparency, whether you can see through it or not, true or false, and then the texture resolution here as well. These will have to be PNGs, I believe, at the moment. They just will. It won't work with anything else. But you can add them by just copying and pasting and then changing them to how you suit. And then you can add a new texture. You can upload that to a server somewhere, or you can use Dropbox and whatnot. So that's goes over the configuration. I'm going to delete the world and start the server up, and it will say SpoutBlocks enabled, everything's good to go. Let's load up the world. There we are. SpoutBlocks has been enabled. Bucket stats has also been enabled for the first time. To opt out, check plugin stats. So basically SpoutBlocks has a login system. Yeah, a login system where it will just let developer know and other people how many people are using it, what servers are using it and whatnot. And you can opt out of that by going plugin stats, opt out, set that to true, and then whether or not you want to list your server to true or false as well. So you can turn that on and off, and that's included with SpoutBlocks. So now I'm going to go in game, and I'm going to go over how to craft it, how they look in game, and what I'm also going to do is something else. Oh yeah, how to spawn them. But please note that you will need the SpoutCraft client. So anyone wanting to connect to it will need the SpoutCraft client, or else it just won't work. Alright, I'll see you in a bit. Hello, you now join me in game, and I'll be going over how to create the new blocks and how they look in game. So I've gone on to creative mode just so I can spawn items better. I'll just make it bigger because it's quite hard to see. How do we do this? I should be able to see better now. So we're going to want a craft bench, if we can find one, and we're going to want some stone, and some grass as well. So let's create it. So I'm in the up area. I wondered why it was strange, and then I realised not up. So we'll just do it in this nice swamp that I made earlier. So place the craft bench down. Everyone knows to do that. So now when we do our 3x3 grid, we get air cloud. So you can place that down, and you can see it in game. So there you are. That's the new block. This is multiplayer. As you can see, we have created the new blocks in game. I can destroy them and it'll drop the same ones and whatnot. So that's one type of block which comes default, and then the other block comes default is 3x3 grass, and it's aerogal, however you pronounce it. And you can place them down as well. So there you go. So they're the new blocks. You can also spawn them using a command called b custom, and then the block name. I'm not gonna be able to spell it. You know that. Come on, please be right. And then the number. Damn it. So you need to be up, or you'll need the permission. I was .can use. Why did you? Okay. Well, I'm not going to dispute against that. That's how you would spawn it. Being custom, and then the block name where X was, and then that's how you spawn it. Or you can just let your players create it in game, like so. So thanks for watching. This is in development at the moment. I also talked to you about Serenity. Now, most of you might know about the Ether mod for single player. Now, the same developer of SpoutBlocks, Nikita, or I can't. It's too many D's. SDD or ZNIC Q. He's developing Serenity at the moment, and that is basically Ether mod for single multiplayer. So there'll be a whole new generation. There'll be